Welcome to the ultimate compact camera countdown for 2026 that proves you don't need massive mirrorless systems to capture incredible photographs. Compact cameras have evolved dramatically, delivering professional image quality in pockets small enough for everyday carrying without burden. These six timepieces represent the best options available for photographers, prioritizing portability, image quality, and practical functionality over complexity. From ultra-compact point-and-shoot simplicity to advanced fixed lens systems offering incredible versatility, these cameras solve different photography needs perfectly. Whether you're a travel photographer, street photography enthusiast, or content creator, one of these compacts will deliver exactly what you need. Let's explore the best compact cameras that prove bigger isn't always better when engineering excellence matters most. Number 6. Canon PowerShot S200 Ultra Compact Point and Shoot. The Canon PowerShot S200 represents the pinnacle of ultra-compact simplicity, delivering excellent photographs without any technical knowledge required. This camera fits comfortably in shirt pockets, alongside smartphones offering genuine camera quality, without portability compromise whatsoever. The fixed lens covers common focal lengths, handling landscapes, portraits, and general photography with respectable versatility throughout. The automated exposure modes handle lighting conditions intelligently, allowing photographers focusing purely on composition and subjects entirely. The 20-megapixel sensor delivers excellent image quality with strong color reproduction and dynamic range handling difficult lighting. The compact design doesn't sacrifice optical quality, using quality glass and computational processing, creating beautiful results consistently. The touchscreen interface remains intuitive, even for non-photographers, reducing the learning curve dramatically for casual users. This camera proves that excellent portable photography doesn't require understanding technical settings or camera complexity whatsoever. Battery life reaches impressive levels, given the compact size, allowing full-day shooting without charging concerns typically. The S200 represents simplicity in an increasingly complicated camera world, offering genuine photography without overwhelming users. Perfect for travelers wanting genuine camera quality without carrying heavy mirrorless systems or smartphone limitations. Number 5. Ricoh GR3X Street Photography Specialist. The Ricoh GR3X delivers street photography excellence with a fixed 40mm equivalent lens engineered specifically for this specialized purpose. Street photographers worldwide chose this camera recognizing its perfect focal length for decisive moment capture in urban environments. The compact body size allows discreet operation crucial for street photography requiring unobtrusive equipment not attracting attention. The fixed lens forces compositional discipline, encouraging photographers developing stronger visual storytelling and framing skills continuously. The sensor offers exceptional dynamic range handling high-contrast street scenes with brilliant shadows and highlights simultaneously. The manual focus ring combined with snap focus presets enables quick focus without autofocus delays disrupting timing. The physical controls allow fast operation without menu navigation, enabling rapid response when capturing fleeting moments. The build quality exceeds expectations with weather sealing, allowing operation in challenging conditions without equipment concerns. The raw capability enables post-processing flexibility, while in-camera processing delivers excellent JPEGs immediately without computer editing. This specialized camera proves that focusing on one purpose creates excellence impossible when trying serving everyone simultaneously. Street photographers recognize the GR3X as the ultimate specialized compact for their demanding creative applications and artistic vision. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix LX103 Fixed Lens Premium. The Panasonic Lumix LX103 offers premium quality with a versatile zoom lens, delivering landscape to portrait coverage seamlessly. The large micro four thirds sensor provides exceptional image quality with impressive dynamic range and color rendering throughout. The impressive zoom range from 24 to 75mm equivalent handles most photography scenarios without requiring lens changes or compromises. The weather sealing protects internal components during outdoor adventures and challenging environmental conditions throughout extended use. The optical viewfinder combined with electronic viewfinder option offers flexibility, choosing between traditional or digital viewing preferences. The manual focus ring and physical controls prioritize operational simplicity over menu navigation during shooting. The RAW capability alongside JPEG processing offers editing flexibility, while in-camera processing delivers excellent results without computers. The body design balances premium feel with actual portability, avoiding excessive weight that defeats compact purposes entirely. The lens quality rivals interchangeable systems, despite the fixed optics demonstrating engineering excellence and optical sophistication. This premium compact proves that fixed lenses, combined with excellent quality sensors, create superior photography to mediocre zooms. The LX103 serves photographers wanting versatility without sacrificing image quality or portability simultaneously. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV Vlogging Compact. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV evolved specifically for content creators combining photography and video capabilities in balanced packages. The flip screen combined with directional microphone enables vlogging without additional external equipment typically required. The autofocus tracking follows subjects automatically, crucial for video content creation, where manual focus requires constant attention. The compact form factor fits backpacks and camera bags, allowing content creators traveling without cumbersome mirrorless systems constantly. The image stabilization handles video smoothly, reducing shaky footage during handheld recording throughout extended content creation sessions. The battery life challenges competitors, despite the compact size enabling full-day content production without charging interruptions. The wireless connectivity enables remote operation and quick file transfer to smartphones for immediate social media distribution. The automatic exposure modes intelligently handle varying lighting conditions common in vlogging without manual adjustments required. The audio quality improvements deliver professional-sounding results through better microphone implementation and whine noise reduction. This versatile compact serves content creators needing genuine photography and video without carrying excessive gear. The G7X Mark IV proves that compact cameras compete effectively with mirrorless systems for hybrid content creators. Number 2. Fujifilm X100V Rangefinder Design. The Fujifilm X100V delivers rangefinder aesthetics, combined with modern digital technology, creating cameras photographers genuinely love. The fixed 35mm equivalent focal length encourages compositional discipline, forcing photographers developing stronger visual thinking throughout. The film simulation modes deliver beautiful color rendering, inspired by Fujifilm's legendary film stock heritage throughout decades. The hybrid optical electronic viewfinder offers viewing flexibility, switching between traditional rangefinder view and electronic information display. The manual focus ring enables quick focus adjustments during deliberate compositional work, without autofocus disruptions interrupting creative flow. The compact design combined with premium build quality creates cameras feeling professional despite ultra-portable dimensions and weight. The RAW capability provides editing flexibility, while JPEG processing alone delivers gallery-quality results requiring no computer adjustments. The mechanical shutter button offers satisfying tactile feedback, differentiating this camera from soulless digital devices surrounding photographers. The weather sealing protects sensitive electronics during challenging conditions, enabling confidently carrying this camera anywhere adventures lead. This rangefinder-inspired compact captures hearts through emotional connection and design philosophy beyond technical specifications alone. Photographers choosing the X100V often report shooting more frequently and enjoying photography more compared to complex systems. The camera's simplicity combined with premium results proves that restraint in features creates better photography tools ultimately. Number 1. Sony RX100 Overall Compact Excellence. The Sony RX100 represents the ultimate compact camera, combining everything photographers want in smallest possible package. The impressive zoom range from 24 to 200 mm equivalent handles landscapes through telephoto photography without lens changes required. The 20-megapixel Exmor sensor delivers exceptional dynamic range and color accuracy, rivaling larger cameras in image quality. The autofocus tracking using real-time eye autofocus enables sharp focus on subjects moving unpredictably throughout dynamic scenes. The video capabilities include 4K recording with excellent stabilization enabling content creators alongside photographers. The flip screen combined with touchscreen controls provide intuitive interface suitable for both photography and video production. The weather sealing protects electronics, enabling confident operation during challenging weather and environmental conditions. The battery life reaches impressive levels given the compact form factor, allowing extended shooting sessions without frequent charging. The ergonomic design fits hands comfortably, despite small size, enabling secure hold during extended operation. The comprehensive feature set handles everything from professional stills to video production without apparent compromises. The RX 100 Sub 7 proves that engineering excellence combined with thoughtful feature selection creates cameras truly excelling at everything. This compact camera remains the top choice for photographers wanting complete versatility in pocketable form factor without limitations.